Hey YouTubers, another Tom Lipton of Oxtool inspired project I did at work today, or yesterday. He's got a great big work table that he's made with this type of stuff all the way around the work table, and then different shapes cut out of the inside for doing sheet metal work or blacksmithing, I guess, whatever. I've been trying to get into blacksmithing, and this would be like a swage block for blacksmithing. I had a piece of 2-inch thick scrap. This is 2 inches thick. It was just big enough around that I could burn this out of the center of it. And it worked pretty good, but I had two little problems. When it was burning this hole here, when you're cutting with fire, things heat up, and when things heat up, they move. Well, it jumped on me, and so this circle, it doesn't match up all the way around. The square here has a little bit of a offset too. This in here is close. What I decided to do was I just get mounted on my mill and bore these out just a little bigger. This was a 3-inch hole, and that's a 2-inch hole. Maybe a little file work on this or grinding might clean it up. But the other thing that happened, I believe the lead-in was here, and it came across here and did this. Well, when it did the lead-in, a little bit of slag shot up into the tip, and then when it came down this side, I guess it was started over here and went this way. When it came down this side, that slag screwed up the cut on this side. The rest of the way around it was fine, but this side here is screwed up. Let me get you close in. I could do the same thing with the cutter and get these two round parts. This was a 2-inch diameter. This was a 3-inch. This was just a square cut. This is 4-inch, 5-inch, 6-inch, and 8-inch. And then I put a little, like an 1/8-inch radius on all the corners here, so if you're trying to drive something down in there, it wouldn't be a sharp edge. But these corners here should have been sharp. This side's not. Let me bring you in here close so you can see it. Right there you can see that lip. If I just bore this out to maybe 2 1/4 or something, and then or 3 1/4, and make this in 2 1/4, and grind this out a little bit in here, those should be fine. And this is like 1-inch by 4-inch square. That's actually pretty good. And then this side here is the one that's really a mess. You can see all the slag that's stuck on it, and this is all out of square, and it made a mess out of this side with that bit of slag in there. I could see it doing it, but there's nothing you can do. I've found that if I try to stop it, clean the tip, and then start over again, it just makes a mess. I'd make a mess out of this side, and I'd be better off just trying to clean this side up with a grinder. But what I did was I made another one, and I made this whole 1 7/8, and this is 2 7/8. So if I get another piece of scrap that comes through, I can burn them, and then if they do this, I'll have enough room that I can enlarge it to 3-inch and 2-inch and have nice holes. This is going to be a pain to try to fix here, though. This is on an angle, and this is all boogered up. It's just all whopper jawed. But it'll make a pretty nice swage block when I'm done. Another project. Thanks for watching.